If you've been wondering how to scrape crowdfunding campaigns with Browse AI, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how this tool works and why it's become a go-to solution for anyone looking to gather data from crowdfunding platforms. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Browse AI to scrape valuable insights for your marketing campaigns, market research, or even investment opportunities. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try Browse AI for completely free through the first link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses that will help you get started. Stick around until the end and I'll share how you can extend your trial period even longer. Now, let's talk about scraping crowdfunding campaigns. Crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter, GoFundMe, or Indiegogo are gold mines of data, whether you're a marketer looking for trends, a business analyzing competitor performance, or someone scouting for the next big investment. However, manually gathering this data can be overwhelming. That's where Browse AI comes in. Browse AI allows you to automate the process of scraping data from websites without the need for coding or complex setup. It works by mimicking human browsing behavior, so it can navigate websites, click through pages, and extract the exact information you need, from campaign details like funding goals and backers to specific metrics such as donation amounts and reward tiers. To get started, first, you'll need to set up your free Browse AI account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean, user-friendly interface that makes it easy to start scraping any crowdfunding platform you choose. You simply input the URL of the campaign or platform you want to extract data from, and Browse AI will automatically detect the key elements you can scrape. For example, say you want to scrape data from Kickstarter to analyze the most successful campaigns in a specific category. With Browse AI, you can set up a scraper to gather detailed information such as the number of backers, the amount raised, the funding goal, and more. You can even filter the data based on the campaign's progress or specific keywords, making your data collection as precise as you want. The real power of Browse AI comes from its ease of use. With just a few clicks, you can start scraping data from a crowdfunding platform, and you don't need to worry about the technical aspects. Whether you want to track multiple campaigns over time or gather bulk data for a larger project, Browse AI handles it all. Another great feature is the ability to set up automated workflows. This means you can schedule scrapes to run at regular intervals, so you're always up to date with the latest crowdfunding campaigns. Whether you're tracking the latest product launches or just gathering insights into specific industries, Browse AI keeps everything automated, saving you time and effort. If you're worried about legal issues or getting blocked by crowdfunding sites, don't be. Browse AI takes measures to ensure its scraping is in line with the site's terms of service and uses proxy rotation to prevent your IP from being flagged or blocked. And here's something to keep in mind. Browse AI is not just limited to crowdfunding sites. You can use it on a wide variety of platforms, making it a versatile tool for anyone doing web scraping in digital marketing, research, or even competitive analysis. So, if you're ready to start scraping crowdfunding campaigns with Browse AI, don't forget to check the first link in the description below to get your exclusive, extended free trial and bonuses to get you started. Trust me, once you get a hang of this tool, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Make sure to stick around for the next steps on how to refine your scraping process and avoid common mistakes when gathering data, and I'll explain how you can use Browse AI's advanced features to take your analysis to the next level.